and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1. We'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2. We'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3. Learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4. Discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Dear entrepreneurs, imagine making $10,000 per month with this never-before-seen AdSense hack. Now, making money is easier than ever without the need for SEO or backlinks. With this method, we went from $0 to $98,000 in 8 short months, averaging us a little over $10,000 every single month. Introducing AdSense Profit Hacker. It's 6 easy training lessons that teach you the only trick you need to start making money from blogging at AdSense right away. Forget about keyword research. With us, it's all about making money the easy way. No need for endless blogging. Just 15 blog posts is all it takes to profit from this method. Our course reveals a paid traffic method that can get you profits the same day. You'll see your earnings grow from day one. And that's not all. We'll also show you 5 free traffic methods that will get your blog posts seen by the masses. Take a look at how easy on the eyes our member area is. We've made everything clear and simple for you. And if you never blogged before, no problem at all. AdSense Profit Hacker is perfect for beginners. We make everything super simple. But you need to hurry because the price will go up soon. And always remember that the only person who can make a difference is you. Don't miss out. Join the AdSense Profits Revolution by grabbing AdSense Profit Hacker below this video. Your path to success starts here. Get ready for a life-changing experience by working from the comfort of your home and take control of your future. If you want to profit from AdSense without the usual grind of doing keyword research or endless search engine optimization, AdSense Profit Hacker is what you need to make your thoughts of living a laptop lifestyle come to life. Go below this video and grab your copy now. We'll see you inside.